Storytelling a thirsty crow. It was her day. A crow was thirsty. She looked for water. She didn't find water anywhere. At last, she saw a pot near the house. She flew down and sat on the pot. There was some water in the bottom. She couldn't reach the water. The crow looked around. She saw a small stone nearby. She picked up a stone and dropped it into the pot one by one. The water in the pot came up. The crow drank the water and flew away happily. Moral: if you try hard enough, you may soon find a solution to your problem. Thank you.